Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can repair your Lenovo tablet M7 when you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on this device. So, at the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory is in the pair mode, and how to enable it you will find in the manual instructions. In my case I have to click 3 times this button and my headphones starting in the pair mode. Sometimes you have to push the button for 5-10 seconds, for example. You have to check it by yourself. Okay, so after that, if you are sure that your Bluetooth accessory is in the pair mode and it's visible for other devices but not for your tablet, just make a simplest way. Just open the Bluetooth settings by holding the Bluetooth icon in the top menu, go to the connection preferences and choose Bluetooth. Now just switch it off and switch it on again to restart the Bluetooth connection. Little bit obvious, but sometimes it works. You can also try to restart your device by holding the power button, and you can try to restart your Bluetooth accessory also. Okay, after that, if your device is still not visible for your tablet, just go back to the settings and slide to the system. Now go to the reset options and choose the reset LAN Bluetooth. Now just tap on the reset settings and configure it again by this button, then look for your device again. After that you can also try to update your system. Check if you have any updates, just download it and install. And the last recommendation from me, check your Bluetooth accessory and your tablet on other device to check which one is visible and which one making a problem here. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.